Ava Ernst, and today we are going to be making chocolate cupcakes. I took a chocolate cake recipe and I made it to cupcake recipe. Hope you enjoy. Here are the ingredients. So you first need to add in your flour. You need a cup and 3 quarts. You will next need a 4th teaspoon of baking soda. You can find all these ingredients anywhere. Your local grocery store, anywhere really. Gas station. Next you need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You will also need 3/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa powder, or any cocoa powder. You can find this literally anywhere. I found this at Wegmans. Sometimes you can go overboard with the chocolate. You will next need a pinch of salt, or a couple shakes, if you have a shaker bottle. I'm using kosher salt, that's also fine. Just whisk these ingredients together. You will next need to add your wet ingredients. You will need to combine your sugar and your butter. Now just add your butter. 3 tablespoons. Now just mix that together with a whisk. Next, add 1 egg at a time. It should be yellowish, sugary, buttery consistency. This is my favorite part to take a little taste test. It's really good. Now add your vanilla extract. This is my favorite part because it gives it a good taste. You need 3/4. My grandma gave me this special extract. It's really good. I like extract. Now just whisk that in with your egg mixture. Now take your ingredients that you mixed in earlier and start putting a little bit of that in. You can use a measuring cup, but I usually just add it a little bit in at a time. And then add some of your milk in. Now you have to stir that in. Now add your next couple. Smells really good. Now that you whisk your ingredients together, you're going to put that in your muffin tins. But don't fill your muffin tins the whole way, because then it will be too big of an amount. And you're going to want to try to get all the batter, because you don't want to waste any, especially of these good cupcakes. I have a little bit left, just scrape off. If you have extras, you should butter it. Because you don't want your cupcakes to stick, because then you can't get them out or eat them. You need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that you're done, you take them to the oven. first one, the oven. Going to look at the time in the back of the book to see how long we have to bake the cupcakes for. It says for 25 minutes, plus cooling time. So let's put it about 20 minutes and we'll see how it's doing. I just took these out of the oven. The other ones are still baking, but they look really good and they came out really spongy, like a really good cake. I'm really excited to frost them and try them. So we have to wait for them to cool for about 5 minutes and then we can frost them. I'm cleaning up so that we can make our frosting soon. Now one by one I'm putting the ingredients. The salt and baking powder, the baking soda and vanilla, and don't forget the flour. Now I'm going to clean off the table. I'm going to rinse off this bowl. Now I'm going to get the things that we need for the frosting. The butter, the sugar, the other stuff. Powdered sugar, cocoa powder, powdered sugar. About one. You need 1 cup. See, this is a buttercream recipe that I've known for years now, and I always use it in my recipes. Next, put that in your bowl. Next, you get some butter, and you're just gonna get about 1/4 cup. Or you can put it in the microwave. Like I'm gonna do. For about 10 seconds. And now it will be a little milk in the 4th cup. Now it's supposed to be a good consistency to put in. Sometimes it gets tough to stir. That means that you're adding too much powdered sugar. See, look, it's frosting. Now I'm putting a little touch of vanilla, just like a splash. To make it a good flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit more butter. And microwave it for 10 seconds. So while it's doing that, we can maybe add our cocoa powder. You need a couple spoons. And there you go. That's your homemade frosting. Chocolate frosting. oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to put the frosting on. Next, just put your icing bag in the cup. So then, now what you do is you fold it over so that you can get the frosting into the cup, like that. So now just start scooping the frosting in there. And then what you do is you take it and then you can put a ponytail. That's what I usually do when I have an empty one on my wrist. So now I'm going to show you how to put the tips on the bag. So first you're just going to cut a little slot and then you're going to secure the tip on. It doesn't matter what tip you have. Sometimes I usually cut it more into right there, because then you can actually get it into it. I put the number 12 tip. It's a straight tip. So what you need to do is you start with the outside of the cupcake and then you move to the inside. It depends on what you want. If you want a flower, I'll show you that decoration. First, go around and then around and then around. So frosting might spill out the sides. Now I'm going to show you one of this tip and the other tip. You go around this way and up. Frosting might drip off. So take the next tip and just start going around. That's why I usually start the middle of the cupcake. You don't need to use that tip. You can use the next tip. Or you can just use it like that. So now what you do for the flower, it's better to have a big tip. Just start squeezing it out. And when you're done with these cupcakes, you can just put them on the tray. So now I'm going to wash my hands. And I got this lemon poppy scrub from Whole Foods. I usually use to wash my hands with some soap. So next, your cupcakes are done. This is how you get them out of the tin. You literally pick up and drag. As you can see, the frosting is looking better by the second because it's starting to melt more on the cupcakes, because I think that it was in the freezer too long. These cupcakes are really good, and I'm really thankful that I got that book from Jennifer. I love the recipes that are in there. I read it every night. Thank you. If you didn't see my last video about the Hershey's cake, go check that out. I was on vacation at the time. Hope you guys enjoyed my cupcake video. Next time we'll have more.
Mm-hmm.
Have another one.
This is good. Real good. Ava, you are a champion.